This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and today I'm going to be talking about how to give someone access to your work Gmail account and Google Workspace account after you've passed away. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. We're looking at my Google Workspace account, and I want to be able to give somebody access to my Gmail after I've died. And in certain cases, if you have a Google Workspace account and it's managed by your IT group, this won't be an issue because they'll be able to maybe set up access, or there'll be policies at your company so people can access your Gmail after you've passed away unexpectedly, and for instance get access to important email or or access to important Google Drive documents. But in a company like mine where there's only one person, I may want to give the only other employee I have, or my lawyer or someone like that, access to my account after I passed away, and that's by using a feature called inactive account manager. While some people may think, well, if I want people to access my Gmail account, I'll just give them my account credentials. That's a terrible way to do it. For one important reason: if Google suspects that somebody who is not you is accessing your account and they're not authorized, they may shut down the account, or something may happen to your device and it can't be opened or something like that. So giving people account access through credentials or through devices is not the way to go. Inactive Account Manager is really the way to do it. And you can find out about this feature through Google Account Help. Search for Inactive Account Manager. It explains how it works. And basically what happens is, once you've identified a trusted contact and you've set it up, that trusted contact will receive an email once Google determines that you have been active on the account for a certain period of time, which indicates maybe you've passed away or you're otherwise incapacitated, and then you can decide what information to give them or what access to give them. So in my case, for let's say my lawyer or my sole employee, I might want to give them access to my Gmail. I have some book graphics I'm using for a book, and they may need to have access to that to carry on the particular project. So I would set this up in Google Inactive Account Manager. Basically, go to the help page, read it through. There's a link at the top that says go to your Inactive Account Manager page. Click on that. If you see this page, it means you're not properly logged in. So just make sure you're logged in, and you should come to a wizard like this. You'll basically go through the wizard. You'll give your information about your account. You'll tell who you want to, how long the account should be inactive before the trigger is activated, and people will be sent an email about this. Who to notify and what to share. So you can say, all right, to my lawyer, I want them to have access to my Gmail account, but to my employee or my manager, I want them to have access to Gmail, YouTube, and also Google Drive. And then decide if you want your inactive Google account to be completely deleted. So follow the steps for Inactive Account Manager. I think it's a pretty nice way to set this up. It avoids some of the problems with giving people account access and using other methods, and I think it's basically the way to go if people should have access to your Google Workspace account after you've passed away. For more information on how to get the most out of Google, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, now available in its third edition from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.